A charming end-unit 3-bedroom townhome with a fantastic location in North York's Bayview Woods-Steeles community. Welcome to 2 English Ivyway. Featuring a single-car garage with a private driveway, the covered front entrance has 2 sidelights to capture light from its southern exposure and opens into a tiled foyer with a double coat closet, as well as a powder room that is nestled privately away from the principal rooms. The main hall leads into the entertaining spaces of the open-concept living and dining rooms, which are carpeted for added coziness and are bathed in soft, natural light streaming through both a north-facing window as well as the sliding door walkout. The generous L-shaped size of this room allows for flexibility with the arrangement of the space, and the walkout extends the entertaining to the outdoors during the summer months to a lovely backyard and patio area with raised garden beds and seasonal shade trees. The kitchen has a wonderful open working environment and offers lots of counter space and cabinetry storage, is brightened with pot and undermount cabinet lighting, includes appliances and a stainless steel double sink, and has space for a cozy breakfast area, while the wall cutout allows the kitchen to be more open to the entertaining areas. The staircases to both the upper and lower levels have hardwood railings with metal pickets, maintaining the openness felt throughout the home, with the upper level featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a spacious double linen closet off the hallway. The common-use 4-piece washroom has a ceramic tile bath and shower area and is shared with the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, both which have large north-facing windows allowing for soft natural lighting, while the 2nd bedroom, adjacent to the washroom, has an oversized double closet, and with the 3rd bedroom having a walk-in double closet. The master bedroom is quite generous in its size, with plenty of space for a sitting area, and its 2 large south-facing windows allow for beautiful natural light. Along its east wall are 2 oversized double closets, and this bedroom is complete with a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a wall-to-wall vanity and a ceramic tile bath and shower area. This home is located in a family-minded, community-oriented neighborhood and is within the catchment area of Steeles View Public School, Zion Heights Middle School, Cresthaven Public and Lester B. Pearson Elementary Schools for their French immersion programs, as well as A.Y. Jackson Secondary School, while Seneca College's Finch Avenue campus is an 8-minute drive away. And also within a short drive are the Cummer Park Community Centre, the Baha'i National Centre, the Hillcrest branch of the Toronto Public Library, the Duncan Creek and Bestview hiking trails, as well as German Mills Settlers Park and the Bayview Golf and Country Club, both which are right across the road directly north of this home. The lower level adds great utility and living space and features a storage room with built-in shelves, a storage closet under the staircase, a furnace room combined with a laundry area and workshop space, as well as a large family recreation room with a corner brick hearth and wood mantel shelf, ideal for the ambient addition of an electric fireplace. This home enjoys a great location within the city and is steps from 24-hour TTC service on Steeles Avenue and just minutes from everyday amenities such as grocery stores, gas stations, convenience stores, and many other retailers, while access to Highway 404 is 4 minutes away, and major shopping destinations such as Fairview and Centrepoint malls, as well as IKEA, are all within a 15-minute drive.